everybody, and I got something very exciting to show you. This is my fire alarm from Legos I made, and it is pretty cool. See, you got our call station right here. That button's spring-loaded. We got our fire symbol, which isn't activated. So to activate it, you would push that in and pull that down. And see, when you pull it, that goes up. And see, that turns. Now, I'll show you the back. Here you can see, this was very compact space. So all it is the button will be spring-loaded when you do that. That opens, which pushes the touch sensor. And it really doesn't do much. And it's not really hard. Here you can see our button, just one little spring. So that gives it a nice touch detail. So you can just push it in. And it does get jammed sometimes. Here you can see you got our touch sensor, and that pushes it. And here you can see it's just the alarm's just a piece of tape on a motor. So it's not really hard at all. This is a style of a ADT pool station. And you would see these pretty common. I got these labels just printed off the web. So that makes it have a nice touch. And see, that's actually really fun to push because it's one of my first spring-loaded buttons. And then, I guess that's it on my machine.